Lily, are you going to work on that thing for us? Huh? What do you think? What's a good kitty? That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. What's that kitty of mine doing? Huh? Really going after that thing. And Amber was in it too. Amber, were you in it? Gracious. Amber was in that scene, Lily. Yeah, now Lily is driving it forward into the living room. Now she's face out here, ready to parking in her little garage before she tears the roof off. and then she's going up into her chair to oversee her kingdom. Right, Lil? Lil, are you okay? Hi, girl. Hi, girl. How you doing, honey? Yeah. You're such a good boy. I mean a girl. What am I? I'm mixed up. Yeah. It's so good to like to have around here with you here. You know that? Yeah, I like it. I'll swing around a little bit and say, Henry, Henry, how you doing? Hen. Yeah. It's a good way to have life around here. To be in the kitchen watching Mary do some cooking, isn't it, Hen? Hi there, guy. Hi there, you good one. Yeah. Amber, hi. How's an Amber doing? Amber's getting up and she's gonna swat at this darn thing that's in her face. Yeah. Lily? Hi, Lil. Hi there, Lil. Oh, ball. Well, there she goes. Now she's up as high as she can get, aren't you, Lily? Yeah, she's getting to be a beautiful big cat. She's really, really long. She's about 2 feet long, I'd say, before you even do count her tail, which is real beautiful. But she weighs about probably 12 3/4 pounds and still growing some. And then Amber, how are you doing? You've gotten down to be about a perfect weight for you. You're about 10.3 pounds. And we put you on some light food, which we think you like. It's a light, dry food, combined with a Hill Science Diet sensitive stomach. On an Amber. Yeah, that's a really good picture of that Amber. Henry, and you're the boy that's gotten pretty big on us. Yeah, we have to watch what we feed you a little bit. So we've gone with a light food for Henry to have for his dry food. And we're hoping that that'll start to square him away. Because he likes to lay in chairs and stuff, and I think he didn't learn to play a lot when he was a young one. So we're trying to teach him to do that. And he's starting to play with strings and balls and stuff like that, and chasing around Lily. He and Lily are big companions for that type of thing. You should see him lay around on the floor. But he's going to do his business now, and he's very, very good at that. Aren't you, Henry? Yay!
You're going to film it doing that.
Yeah, there you go. Lily, what do you have to say? What do you have to say about all this stuff? Yeah, it's good to be filmed. Amber, how about you? Make sure not to get in the fire, huh? Yeah, Amber's very interested in this screen. Okay, we have a really good day, okay, Mary? Want to say hi to us?
Hi.
Thank you for showing your beautiful photogenic presence, honey. And then I will just say something here too. Let's see if I can get my face in here. Mary, how do I look? Here, look into the camera here. Pretty good?
Down a little bit.
Down a little bit?
There you go. That's good.
Okay, here I am. I am evidently entirely in focus here, but here's the Elliott scene in Richfield, Minnesota. And right now we have a bunch of happy cats around the kitchen. I think Mary's doing sloppy joes, so they're thinking that they're going to get fed.
Hi.
Hi, honey.
Am I in?
Thanks for listening. Yeah, I'm sure you are. Bye-bye.